How to create multi-OS bootable USB driver. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how can you create multi-OS bootable USB driver. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, now consider that you already have downloaded the required iOS and 16 GB USB flash drive ready. Here's the step that you need to follow to create a multi-burst USB drive in a Windows using Ventoy. Now head over to the official Ventoy GitHub relapses and download the Ventoy Windows zip file. Now insert your USB disk drive. Now extract the zip file. Head over to extract ventoy2disk.exe file to start Ventoy. Once Ventoy start, you should now see USB drive list. If you select the USB drive that you want to use from the list and click on install button, Ventoy will be installed on your USB driver. Now all you need to do is copy all the iOS to the drive where you installed Ventoy and your multi-boost USB will be ready. And that's how you could set up multi-boost USB using Ventoy. Now all you need to do is select the USB drive in boot option from Ventoy's menu, the iOS that you want to boot from. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.